Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic test animals used in experiments. What is animal testing? It is the use of non-human animals in experiments that seek to control variables that affect the behavior or biological system under study. അതായത് ഏതെങ്കിലും പഠനത്തിന് കീഴിലുള്ള പെരുമാറ്റത്തെയോ ജൈവവ്യവസ്ഥയെയോ ബാധിക്കുന്ന വേരിയബിളുകൾ നിയന്ത്രിക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുന്ന പരീക്ഷണങ്ങളിൽ മൃഗങ്ങളെ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന പ്രക്രിയയാണ് അനിമൽ ടെസ്റ്റിംഗ്. Animal testing is also known as animal experimentation, animal research and vivo testing. ആനിമൽസിനെയും ഹ്യൂമൻസിനെയും എടുത്തു നോക്കിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഫിസിയോളജിക്കലി ആൻഡ് അനാറ്റമിക്കലി നമുക്ക് ഒരുപാട് സിമിലാരിറ്റീസ് കാണാം. അവയുടെ ഓർഗൻ സിസ്റ്റമൊക്കെ ഫങ്ഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഒരു പ്രത്യേക സിമിലർ ഫാഷനിലാണ്. ഈ ഒരു സിമിലാരിറ്റിയാണ് അവയെ പല പ്രൊഡക്റ്റുകളുടെയും ടെക്നിക്കുകളുടെയും ഡെവലപ്മെൻറ്റിനായിട്ടുള്ള ഐഡിയൽ മോഡലാക്കി മാറ്റുന്നത്. ജനറ്റിക്സ്, ഡെവലപ്മെൻറ്റൽ ബയോളജി, ബിഹേവിയറൽ സ്റ്റഡീസ്, ബയോമെഡിക്കൽ റിസർച്ച്, സിനോ ട്രാൻസ്പ്ലാന്റേഷൻ, ഡ്രഗ് ടെസ്റ്റിംഗ് തുടങ്ങി ഒരുപാട് റിസർച്ച് ഫീൽഡുകളിൽ അനിമൽസ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. It was the use of animals in laboratory that led to the discovery of diphtheria and polio vaccine, insulin for the treatment of diabetes mellitus, heart valve replacement, antibiotic therapy, manic depressive drugs, and the list goes and on. Next we can move on to historical overview. Aristotle and Erasistratus are the first to use living animals in experiments. Animals use in science has been developed not only in drug discovery but also in the surgical procedure. Rudolf Jenisch developed the first experimental pharmacology laboratory in his own house in 1849 in Germany. Even Pavlov is one of the most famous scientists used animals for performing experiments in late 80s. First animal protection law was proposed in the British Parliament in 1822, promoted by Charles Darwin, legislation for the protection and the regulation of animals. The Bill for Protection Law of Animals was passed in the year 1876. Sir Ramnath Chopra in India made the beginning in pharmacological research of traditional drugs. Animal Welfare Board of India was set up in accordance with Section 4 of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Act in 1960. From the 17th century, there is opposed to the use of animals in research and scientific community. Animals in use. Both invertebrates and vertebrates are used in the experimentation. The widely used vertebrates are rats, mice, guinea pigs, monkeys, etc. Although much larger number of invertebrates are used, and the use of flies and worms as model of organism is very important. Sources of animals in research facilities vary depending upon the location, but most are supplied by special dealers. Regardless of an animal source origin, they are protected by laws, regulations, and policies to ensure the human treatment. In United States, under provisions of the Human Welfare Act 1966, guidelines have been established. Rat. It is the most widely used experimental animal. Strains of rats used in experimental pharmacology are Wistar strain and Sprague-Dawley and Porton. Various tissues used for the study of drugs are colon, stomach, uterus, cecum, vas deferens, and abdominal smooth muscle. Rat brain tissue is extensively employed in radioreceptor and ligand studies. Next, mice. Strains of mice used in experimental pharmacology are Swiss strain and LACA. They are extensively used in toxic study of bioassay of drugs, testing of analgesics, CNS active drugs, and chemotherapeutic agents. Most recently, mouse brain tissue as well as primary cell culture of mouse spinal cord neurons are used in neuropharmacology for studying neurotransmitter receptor function. Next, rabbit. Domestic rabbits are used for protein testing. One of the peculiar thing about a rabbit is that they are resistant to the action of atropine as they contain atropinosterase enzyme, the presence of which is genetically determined. Some of the tissue or organs from rabbits used are heart, aorta, duodenum, and ileum. Mice. It is the most commonly used experimental animal and it is used to study local anesthetics and as models experimental amoebiasis and cholera as they are sensitive to these microorganisms. Drosophila melanogaster. It is a widely used invertebrate in experimental study. Cinorhabditis elegans. It is also an invertebrate. In the case of C. elegans, the worm's body is completely transparent and the precise lineage of all the organism cell is known. Most of the important researches in classical genetics were carried out using D. melanogaster, and for this reason classical genetics is sometimes called drosophilology. Invertebrate animals offer greater advantages over the vertebrates by virtue of their short life cycle and ease with which large numbers of them may be studied. However, lack of an adaptive immune system and their simple organs prevent worms from being used in medical research such as vaccine development. Similarly, flies are not widely used in applied medical research as their immune system differs greatly from that of humans and diseases in insects can be very different from those in more complex animals. Ethical requirements. In order to make judicious use of animals for experimental purposes, scientific Scientific societies and institutions have put forth ethical guidelines for investigators. It is mandatory to have institutional ethical committees and to have approval of experimental protocols. Ethical committees also provide guidelines for proper breeding and storage facilities and protection against inhuman treatment. Thank you.